And we cut across to breaking news coming in. Sources say Manish Tiwari and Vijender Sangla are front runners for the post of PCC. Anuj is picking up more details on the same. He's live with us on the broadcast. Anuj, tell us more.
Well, this is update after update which is coming in when we are talking about Punjab. We have seen how the meetings after meeting were taking place in the national capital. This was none other but Navjot Singh Sidhu himself and Amrinder Singh himself, who was there in the national capital, and they met with the three members committee which was constituted by Sonia Gandhi. Seeing the internal tussle, now this is also in discussion when we are talking and giving the latest breaking news. That is that Manish Tiwari and Vijender Singla can be considered as PCC. Like, one of them is going to be there at the PCC of Punjab. So these are the two names what we have been told through our sources, that they can be the next PCC of Punjab. We do understand that this is going to be 2022 election, which is going to be very important for the Congress party, because we are seeing the internal tussle and the infighting which is already out in open. But on the other hand, this has been tackled by the High Command, that's none other but Sonia Gandhi, because the assurance has been given to Amrinder Singh that he is going to be on the chair till the election, if we talk about 2022 election. So to control the situation, this is going to be new structural change when we are talking about Punjab, when we are talking about Congress Punjab. Then the two names which has been given and the sources which is confirming us is Manish Tiwari, the senior leader of the Congress party, and Vijender Singla, the sitting minister in the cabinet of Punjab. So their name can be considered, and one of them is going to be the PCC of Punjab. So this is to wait and watch what exactly will be coming out. But yes, let me also remind you, the report by the committee also has to be submitted to the Supremo, that Sonia Gandhi, which is going to be submitted in next 2 to 3 days maximum. And after that, all these structural change is expected, and the announcement is also expected. Yes, back to you.
All right. We will wait and watch what happens on that front. Anuj, for the moment, thank you.